Do you often feel sore arms and legs, stiff joints, or leg cramps after a long day of work? Instead of rushing to medication today, I want to share with you a very simple folk remedy that can quickly bring a soothing sense of relief. The special thing is that the ingredients are very familiar, already available in your kitchen, safe, budget-friendly, and easy to use. Let's get everything ready together and try this natural recipe so your body can relax and feel healthier each day. I share simple and natural recipes that anyone can make right at home. One of the simplest tips I want to share with you today is using salt, a very familiar ingredient that's always available in every kitchen. Salt is not only a common seasoning, but also a natural, affordable helper that can support your joints, relax your muscles, and even help ease leg cramps effectively. You only need about 5 tablespoons of salt. It can be coarse salt, sea salt, or even regular table salt. Salt plays an important role in preventing and easing muscle cramps thanks to its ability to help balance electrolytes in the body. When muscles contract suddenly, one common reason is a lack of sodium, the main component of salt. Sodium supports healthy nerve signaling and helps muscles contract and relax smoothly. Next, add the salt into a basin or tub of warm water and stir well until it's completely dissolved. Warm water helps open up the pores while the salt supports gentle cleansing, has soothing properties, and encourages better blood circulation. This combination creates a natural foot soak that helps your feet relax, eases soreness, stiffness, and fatigue, especially after a long day of moving around or standing for hours. It's the perfect first step to bring comfort and relaxation right away without relying on medications or expensive treatments. The next ingredient in this recipe is chamomile, a familiar and very easy to find herb. Chamomile has long been known for its soothing, anti-inflammatory, and calming properties. When combined with warm water and salt, it enhances the effect of easing discomfort, calming joint inflammation, reducing swelling, and helping the muscles relax, releasing tension and cramps. You'll only need about 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile, which you can find at natural remedy shops, herbal stores, or even in supermarkets. Beyond being beneficial for your feet, the gentle fragrance of chamomile also helps relax the mind, bringing better and deeper sleep. Do you usually soak your feet in the evening or in the morning? Leave a comment below. I'd love to know your routine. The final ingredient we'll add to this mixture is vinegar. This is a common household staple not only used in cooking, but also valued as a natural remedy in many traditional practices. We only need about 100 milliliters of vinegar for this recipe. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, as well as its ability to support healthy circulation. Thanks to these qualities, it may help ease swelling, soothe sore muscles, and reduce stiffness in the feet after a long day. When combined with salt and chamomile, apple cider vinegar creates a relaxing foot soak that not only helps you unwind, but also supports joint comfort and muscle relaxation. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. I'd love to see how we can connect from all around the world and share natural tips for better health. Once you've added all the ingredients, gently stir the water and lightly press the chamomile flowers so the petals open up. This helps their essence blend into the soak, bringing a calming effect and gentle care for your body. This step is very important because when everything is fully dissolved, the minerals can be absorbed more easily, giving your feet the best possible benefit. The way to use it is incredibly simple yet effective. Just soak your feet directly in this mixture for about 20 minutes. The warm water helps improve circulation, while the salt chamomile and apple cider vinegar work together to bring an instant feeling of relaxation. This foot soak is especially helpful for anyone who often deals with joint discomfort, stiffness, numbness in the legs, or muscle cramps after a long day of activity. With just 20 minutes a day, you'll notice your feet feeling lighter and your sleep becoming deeper and more restful. It's a simple, safe, and practical home remedy that has been passed down through generations. After finishing the 20-minute foot soak, gently dry your feet with a clean towel, making sure to remove any remaining salt or herbs from the skin. This step helps keep the skin fresh, clear, and ready to absorb nourishment more effectively. Next, you can apply a layer of moisturizer or simply a few drops of pure olive oil. Combine this with a gentle massage over the entire foot and ankle until the nutrients are fully absorbed. Not only will this keep your skin soft and nourished, but the massage also helps stimulate circulation and ease fatigue after a long day of activity. The benefits are quite noticeable. Joint discomfort and stiffness can feel more at ease, muscle cramps are reduced, and that tingling irritation gradually fades away. The best part is that you can practice this method daily. It's simple, safe, and brings wonderful relaxation to your feet. This little routine can become a truly valuable habit for supporting joint comfort and improving your sleep quality. This foot soak with salt, chamomile, and vinegar has actually been used by our grandparents for generations, like a trusted family remedy to ease soreness, relax tired legs, and unwind after a long day of hard work. The beauty of this recipe is that it's completely natural, safe, and easy for anyone to do right at home without spending much or relying heavily on medication. Please note, this video shares a traditional tip for reference only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice or a doctor's guidance. And that brings us to the end of today's video. We've explored a simple yet practical method to care for your joints and relax your legs. I truly hope you'll give it a try and enjoy the comfort it brings. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any upcoming natural health and beauty tips. See you again in the next video.